Welcome to Jaipur, the pink city of India, where history breathes through sandstone, and every palace tells a tale of royal grandeur. Today, we embark on a journey through three iconic marvels, Jal Mahal, Amber Fort, and Hawa Mahal, each an exquisite jewel in the crown of Rajasthan. This great view as you are watching right now is Amber Fort. Inside of Amber Fort, green garden of Amber Fort, City Palace of Jaipur, gate of City Palace. Next, we ascend to the majestic Amber Fort, perched high in the Aravalli Hills. Built with red sandstone and marble, this 16th century fort is a mesmerizing blend of rugged defense and regal elegance. As you walk through its grand gates, Suraj Pole and Ganesh Pole, you are transported into an era of Maharajas. Inside, the shimmering Sheesh Mahal, or Hall of Mirrors, dazzles with intricate glass mosaics that light up with a single flame. From its sprawling courtyards to the panoramic views of Mota Lake, Amber Fort is a timeless testament to Rajput valor and splendor. Hawa Mahal. We arrive at the serene and surreal Jal Mahal, the water palace. Nestled in the midst of Mansagar Lake, its golden sandstone structure appears to float effortlessly over the shimmering waters. And towering silently over the city is Nahargarh Fort, the abode of tigers. Built in 1734, this fort was not just a line of defense, but a royal retreat with breathtaking views of Jaipur below. Its ornate halls and fresco-covered rooms whisper stories of leisure, strategy, and solitude. As the sun sets over the Aravalli Hills, Nahargarh becomes the perfect vantage point to witness the pink city bathed in golden light. Explore the majestic beauty of Jaipur through its iconic forts and palaces. Jal Mahal, a serene palace floating in the middle of Mansagar Lake, blending Rajput and Mughal architecture. Hawa Mahal, the iconic Palace of Winds, with 953 windows, built for royal women to view the city unseen. Sheesh Mahal, the Hall of Mirrors tucked inside Amber Fort, Sheesh Mahal is a breathtaking masterpiece of mirrorwork. Every inch of its walls and ceiling is decorated with tiny, hand-cut mirrors and intricate floral designs. In the days of the royals, just one small candle could light up the entire room, thanks to the reflection of thousands of mirrors. Built to impress and enchant, this dazzling chamber is a true symbol of royal luxury and Rajput craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this journey through the royal beauty of Jal Mahal, Amber Fort, and Hawa Mahal, imagine what more India has to offer. There's a world of heritage, history, and hidden gems waiting to be explored. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indie Culture, your window into the heart of India's majestic past and vibrant present. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a story from the soul of India, and this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more timeless tales and cultural treasures. Until next time, Jai Hind, and keep exploring.